The interesting thing about storytelling for me is to finding them within each other, and that they all reflect Carolina, the main character. They exist within her because it's a story is an internal journey, and the characters, they reflect parts of her.
Hvem er det?
Det er til dig.
Hvem er de?
Caroline. Vi mødtes på badeanstalten.
Kom ind og luk døren.
It's not that different to a lot of women or people today in so many different aspects and capacities. So I also sometimes I didn't even make the link that it was like a period film, because I think it's something about her that is so extremely universal.
Er det dit barn?
Ja.
Må jeg se?
Ja.
Er det en pige eller en dreng?
Det er en pige.
Hun er sød.
Hvad er det for en lille skæft, I har her? Så.
Jeg har ikke givet hende noget navn.
Og det var klogt. Har de penge med? You just want to understand what she's struggling with. And then she does stuff that is horrible. And how to make a human out of that, in a way. That has been what I'm interested in, as always. I don't want to defend the actions of the characters, but I want to invite the audience into the inner chaos of the character. Nej, nu kan jeg huske dem. Det er jo pigen med nålen.